but I can't
1 of 12.
touch blue. Bro, why does it have to be raining? Well, I guess I have to join another server. Give me a second.
Play. Uploading. Uploading.
It's uploading. Upload just now, please. Okay.
Done. Play screen.
Now, let me just go to a biome plains that is not raining. Plains create. Okay, now it's uploading. Bruh, do it already. Last time it took so long. That's why it was
Starting
difficult.
world.
Are you serious? Make sure teeth are toggled on.
Generating world.
Just like just like you slept in a bed.
Generating world.
Bruh. You can hold down shift. Bruh. I don't have to play Minecraft. I did check the library. And I did biome plains.
Generating world.
Please. Just let me have fig for what? Just
Generating
have
world.
any fig got for what? Press F. Wait, F5?
Generating
I
world.
just have to press F5. No!
Generating world.
NPC. Hello NPC. Said for non-player character. You don't gotta teach me stuff. Minecraft is not for
Player view. Press T or return to open chat.
Okay, regret it.
Empty.
Okay, regret it. I'm just gonna do this. This is definitely not cheated, guys. I can do this. I pressed the wrong button. I wanted to change the weather. Now go to settings. Oh. Hey, no, not this. This. Weather. Clear. Quick. Do it.
Changing to clear weather.
I think no bombs got me. Minecraft, but I can't touch blue. Okay, finally. Are you serious?
Player view. 1 of 12.
Okay, I just realized that I'm in creative mode. Not peaceful. It's not gonna be peaceful. Now finally
1 of 12.
on the video. Minecraft, but I can't touch. Minecraft, but I can't touch blue. I hate. If you were blue, I would do this to you. Hey, you running away? You want to see what I would like to do if you were blue? If you were a blue pig, I would do this to you, you know. Come here, little buddy. Oh, yum. Don't think I forgot about you. If you were blue, I'm gonna do this to you. Oh no.
Notification.
Oh.
One new recipe
Oh.
unlocked.
Nah. Why? No. Okay, forget it. Okay, forget it.
Notification.
Hey,
None
hey,
new
hey,
recipes unlocked.
hey! I can't breathe underwater. Zombies are gonna turn into drown as they go to water. I know that. Get me out! Oh, there's a skeleton nearby. I'm just gonna hide here. So no mobs can be. Forget it! Forget the point of the whole video. Oh. Forget it, I'm gonna die anyway. Do you want it? Forget.
1 of 12.
Ah! Hey! Don't crawl! Don't touch! Forget.
H was slain by spider.
Forget it. I'm out.